Hey, all you plant lovers! Check out the East Hawaii Master Gardener Plant Sale, Sunday, January 28th, 2024, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the University of Hawaii Komohana Research and Extension Center, located at 875 Komohana Street in Hilo. The plant sale will feature perennial edibles, tropical fruit trees, native plants, herbs, ornamentals, pollinator plants, University of Hawaii seed starts, and more. The plant sale will also include information booths on little red fire ants, invasive species, hydroponics, cacao, Hawaii Island Forestry, outdoor circle, 4-H, and more.